This is breaking inputs here with respect to what the Delhi Police Commissioner being summoned now by the Delhi High Court. Police Commissioner is to appear and give details of the plans that have been put in place to ensure safety of women in Delhi. He is to appear before the High Court on the 11th of December is the date that has been put aside here for this. Big breaking inputs now. The Delhi Police Commissioner being summoned by the Delhi High Court on the issue of the dilapidated law and order, an absolute break of law and order in the increase in the number of cases of crime against women that have been reported in the national capital. Our correspondent Anisha getting us further details on the police commissioner being summoned by the court on this issue. What more can you get us here, Anisha?
The Court has today asked the Delhi Police Commissioner and the Joint Commissioner of Police to be present in the Delhi High Court on the December 11th with a plan of what are they going to do to bring down crimes against women in the city. Now, we must remember the Delhi High Court has been looking into this issue of crimes against women since the December 16, 2012 gang rape case and the Nirbhaya case. Since then, a PIL has been pending. The court has been looking into why there is not enough police personnel, why CCTVs have not been put, why there is not adequate lighting in certain areas in the city. Now, all of these issues have been before the court for the last almost 5 years, and the court has now asked the Delhi Police Commissioner and the Joint Commissioner of Police to come personally before the court to answer as to what is actually happening on the ground. Now, this was said after the Additional Solicitor General again said that they will need more time to get clearance from the Finance Ministry and the Home Ministry to recruit more police personnel. Something as basic as recruitment of adequate number of police personnel in the city has been stalled for almost 5 years now, and the High Court has now asked the police commissioner that till such time as those recruitment can be cleared from the central government, what are they going to do in the meantime? Is there any plan in place? Is anything being done? Now, all of this was done after the amicus curiae, Meera Bhatia pointed out, there have been multiple instances of crimes against women as well as rape of young girls, minor children in the last few days. We have seen multiple instances of rape of young children. Now, all of this was pointed out to the Delhi High Court, which has finally said that since it seems that nothing seems to have moved in the city, they would ask the police commissioner and the joint CP to be present in the court to with a plan as to what are they going to do till such time as more police personnel can be recruited.
What has played out in the courtroom, but this could be seen as a first of its kind. You have the police top cop here being summoned by a high court in a clear sign of a complete breakdown of law and order, and this is the national capital that we're looking at here, Anisha.
Well, yes, this is something that we need to be very unhappy about, because the court has been, for the last 5 years, as I said, for the last 5 years, the court has been repeatedly asking the government officials, the police, as to what are they going to do about safety of women. Now, this is the first time that the police commissioner himself has been asked to be present, but over the last several years, the DCPs, the Joint Commissioner of Crime, all of them have appeared before the court. In fact, at one point, the secretary of the secretary in the Finance Ministry was summoned to answer as to why is it that Delhi does not have enough police to ensure law and order in the city. Why do we not have enough number of police personnel who can keep an eye
tied up in bureaucracy as well, and the number of permissions from different ministries that need to be taken to beef up the police personnel here in the national capital being one of the issues that has now come to the fore in the wake of this court hearing. Anisha, thank you for getting us those inputs.